right.
Hey, stop talking. Stop talking. Aaron, come here. Stand here. Are you ready? For $2, okay? For $2.
I think he's gonna make it up.
What are the three primary colors?
Yellow, red, and blue.
Yes! You are correct. Hey, wait. You want to go ahead
You want to double it?
for $5?
Take it.
Sure? What is the largest ocean in the world?
That's easy.
Pacific? Yes! All right, you want to go ahead?
You want to double it again?
Well, it's gonna do 2 turns right now.
No.
Yeah,
no.
that's it.
You want to go ahead? What question? How many bones are in the human body? 121? No, you are wrong. Okay, you are good enough. Okay. Who is next? You? Okay. For $2, how many weeks are in a year?
This is easy, just do math.
You say it again?
How many days?
How many weeks are in a year?
365.
No, that's days.
And then what?
Be quiet, okay?
Year?
Yes.
Yeah, how many weeks are in a year?
You need a paper.
There you go.
You don't know? Okay. You don't know? Okay. Okay. Are you ready? For $2, how much is a dozen?
So easy.
What? Okay. So easy. $2. $2. You win $2. Okay, you want to go ahead? All right. For $5, okay?
Why didn't you do that then?
That's because you're
What is
older.
the capital of Chin State?
Oh my God.
You know? Are you sure? Okay, you win only $2. All right, next person. Joseph. For $2. All right, are you ready? Who is the 16th president of United States?
That's China.
Abraham Lincoln.
Abraham Lincoln?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, you win $2. You win $2.
You're still gonna get two.
Hey, you got 3, right? All right, you want to go ahead?
Yeah, I want to double it.
No, it's
All right, for $5, okay? For $5, how many states are in United States?
50.
50?
Wait, how many states are in the United States?
Yes.
Yes, 50.
How many states are in the United States?
Yes.
That's 50.
50?
50.
All right, you are right. Okay, you want to go ahead? Or
Get the 20.
$10, okay?
Wait, if I get it wrong, I lose all this?
For me, you guys gonna keep it. Yeah. I don't take it back, okay?
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, next question. What happened to water at 0 degree?
It freezes.
I guess so.
Explain that.
It's the freezing point of water.
Solid, nothing, gas, liquid, what?
0 degrees is solid.
Solid?
Yeah.
Solid?
Wait, no.
Hey, nah, it's not bad.
No?
Guys,
It's probably a gas.
Nothing. Gas, liquid, what?
solid. Wait. What's the
No,
option?
that's not even an option. It's
Oh,
nothing
what's
gas
the
or
option?
liquid.
Yeah, I give you the option solid, nothing, gas, liquid.
Solid, nothing, or liquid.
No, there's no solid. It's nothing gas or liquid.
So it's nothing.
There's no solid.
Okay.
Just
you-
go, just go.
Okay, you confused now is enough. Come on, next person.
I want to go get tea.
Next person. Okay. Okay, for $2, Jimmy,
Wait, was this solid?
what question I'm going to ask? Very, very easy one. I'm going to ask you very, very easy one. How many colors in a rainbow?
Seven.
7? Yes, you are right.
Yes.
Yeah, that was it.
7, $2. You want to go ahead for $5?
No.
All right, for $5.
Oh, I think pink. Oh yeah, or violet.
Red, orange.
What is the largest organ in human body?
So easy. I don't know.
In human body, what is the largest organ?
It's the booty. Is that in gym, right?
You don't know? Okay. Okay. You don't know? Go. Next person. Next person.
You're not doing the same question.
Aura. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I know they're not told.
Very easy question, okay? Is it eggplant, a fruit, or vegetable?
A vegetable.
A vegetable? Eggplant is a vegetable or a fruit?
Yeah, it's a vegetable.
Okay, you lose.
I know, come back.
Nana, come on.
No, this is cheating. I had no money. Yeah.
Okay, your turn. What's your name? Okay, sweet.
I earned at the end of
For
this.
$2, okay?
$1? No.
For $2,
60.
how many letters in the alphabet?
You get what?
All right, you win $2. You win $2. Okay, next $5. Okay.
And it was a 50-50 chance, right?
What is the animal that cannot
You
jump?
got big bucks like me, don't talk to me.
You don't know? What
Wait,
is
what was the question?
animal that cannot jump? No. All right, next person.
Oh my god. That was the easy. I just put 2 dots. I was like, oh my god.
You don't like me.
They're bamboo.
What is the fastest animal on the earth?
No.
Cheetah? Cheetah?
Yeah.
Yes.
What was it?
Let's go ahead. What is the longest river in the world?
Who's being stupid?
What is the longest river in the world? Anybody knows?
Is it Miss Sylvia? Is it Miss Sylvia? Is it Miss Sylvia?
Right? Is it the Nile?
Next person. No. Blessing, come here. Blessing. 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 Blessing time. Okay. Blessing. What is the largest planet in the solar system? Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn, Neptune. What?
It starts with my name.
You don't know?
Yes.
It starts with a
Yes.
J.
Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn,
First
Neptune.
option.
What?
Stop telling me.
First
Jupiter. Yes. Okay. You win $2. Okay. Next question. What is the largest continent in the world?
I don't know. It's Asia, right?
You don't know? Asia or Africa? Guess what?
Asian for Asians.
We're Asians.
Or Burmese Asian.
You don't know. Okay. Okay. Everybody. You. Come on.
Let me go.
Okay. Who want to challenge?
Me. I didn't get it yet.
Okay. Deborah, come first. Deborah, I will ask any question.
Don't
Okay.
make it hard now. Don't make it hard.
Easy question. Okay.
Medium.
How many teeth do adults have? Huh? Say again.
32.
32. Okay, you're right.
I knew that.
Adult have 32 teeth. Okay.
Good job.
All right. Now you got $2. And another question. Who invented the telephone?
Oh, it's on you. Stop
Wait, let me think.
You guys always use telephone.
Is there options?
No.
Give us the number.
I don't even know that. Do you want it or
You have to
not?
do that.
Who invented the telephone?
Guess.
Benjamin Franklin. I know it. Einstein.
Okay, who want to challenge?
Me.
Okay, come.
Wait, what?
Very
Okay, now challenge is $2. Okay.
No, why did you switch it up for me?
See my spot.
Why did I say
What month do we vote for a president in the United States?
Wait, what was the question?
What was the question?
What month
Yeah,
do we
this is a
vote for
political.
president?
What
Oh, that's
month
so
we
easy. I
vote
know
for
I know
the
it's
president
Tuesday.
in the United States?
Or October or November?
You don't know? Okay, you lose. Okay, your turn.
Yes.
Your turn. What is world tallest mountain?
Mount Everest.
Mount Everest?
Yeah.
Really? Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're smart. Really smart.
I would have guessed that too.
$4. Okay, you want to go ahead?
Yes.
Then you go to 5.
All right.
15. And 20.
Oh, no, not 15, 20.
Huh? How do you get 20? What are you doing?
He's gonna
What
ask you a really hard
century we are in?
We are 20.
Bro.
27th Street. 20th. Wait, what is
20th?
that? Yeah.
Yeah, period.
No, you are wrong.
What is it?
Go.
It is the right question. That's the right answer. We're in the 20th century.
Oh, one boy.
No, we're in the 20th
One boy.
decade, not the
Okay.
century.
One boy, you
Oh,
will.
yeah.
Did you
The second century?
No? Oh my God. What is the capital of Tuesday? Hakka. Hey! Hakka, yes. This is awesome.
I'm boy smart, but I'm telling you.
$2, okay? $2, okay. Next. This is,
You know Piat? Yes.
Wait, where's your phone?
You know Piat?
what continent has the largest population?
Guess. Can I give him a hint?
Yeah.
Africa?
No.
No. It's almost right. Go.
Asia.
What's the next continent? It's Asia.
Now your
You said
turn.
Asia. I was like, no. With the most. Imagine, was it?
So,
Oh, yeah, it's Asia.
what is the smallest state in U.S.?
Rhode Island.
That's so easy.
Rhode Island?
Yeah, isn't it Rhode
No,
Island?
it's not. He asked me before.
You are right.
See,
Yes.
I knew it was Rhode Island.
Oh my god.
Okay.
It's right here.
5,
Okay.
6, 7, 8, 9.
And
Wait a minute.
what galaxy we are right now?
Milky Way.
Whoa! That's easy.
What do you say?
What galaxy
Okay,
are we
next.
in? That's so easy.
20 bucks.
Oh, wow.
20 bucks, okay?
Oh, come on, Joseph. Come on, Joseph.
Ready? 20 bucks?
Come on, Joseph. Come on.
What continent has the largest desert?
It's so easy.
No.
Ah!
Lying. No.
What is it, Asia?
Asia doesn't have a desert.
Which continent has the largest desert?
Is it Europe?
It's Africa.
It's Africa.
Yeah.
Isn't it Africa?
No.
Let me read the question.
Sahara Desert.
Huh?
Let me read the question.
No. You don't need.
Are you sure this is a country or continent?
Continent.
Alright, so you can read your
It's Africa.
Okay, no, you.
It's Africa.
Okay.
What's the answer though?
Okay.
He's lying. He's
Jamie.
lying. He doesn't want to give
He
it.
doesn't want to give
It's
it.
Africa.
Yeah.
Jamie.
Is it Africa?
He doesn't want to give it to you.
Oh, Ant.
Antarctica.
All right.
Oh,
Go ahead. Go ahead.
it's not the hot desert. It's still a desert.
What is the smallest country in the world?
What?
Oh, this one's easy.
What do you say?
What did he say? What's the question?
The smallest country.
You don't know?
You gotta keep going, bro.
What is the smallest country in the world?
What is it? What is it? What is it?
The USA.
No, go. Okay, come.
What is the smallest
Wait,
country in the
what
world?
did the USA? A state?
You don't know. Next person. Next person.
What is the smallest country in the world?
Say it again.
What is the smallest country in the world?
Just guess.
Okay, I don't know. You can have it to Eric. Come on, you gotta know.
No. Okay, this is now is the last question. Okay.
For all of us?
Last
I
question.
should go. I know.
I
Last?
know the smallest country in Jordan too.
Huh?
I know.
How did nobody know what the smallest country was?
It's Vatican.
Vatican City, bro. Come on.
It's Vatican. Yeah, Vatican City.
Yeah. No more. Okay, blessing, come here. Let me ask you.
Bless you.
I didn't ask you yes.
Let's have this one.
Can I have some money, guys?
No, you only have. I only got $2.
What is the most eye color in the world?
Yes.
Yes. You want to go ahead? You want to go ahead?
Give me some money,
Yeah,
Wesley.
You want to go ahead?
No, guys, it's her money.
Just give me $1.
Let me ask you. How many letters in the alphabet?
26.
26. Say again what? What? What did you say?
I didn't say anything.
Okay. Yeah. $2. Okay.
What?
Go ahead.
You're supposed to give her 5, not 2.
I have like 6.
Now let me
Have
ask.
2.
I don't know what question I'm going to ask.
Bro, he gave me all the hard questions. I don't know why.
Mine was so easy.
Okay, let me ask this question.
How many weeks are in a year?
After.
No? Okay. No. Go.
I don't know.
Okay. I told you
I
last.
think I know.
Last. I will ask only. No. I will ask only then and
Me?
Boyo and Joseph and Deborah and Jimmy. Now you little guy can sit now.
I'm older than him.
Yeah. Come on, you guys. $20 I will ask.
$20, I'm gonna lose.
I'm supposed to have.
Okay.
$20.
Are you ready? Are you sure? Okay, don't tell anybody. Okay?
Guys, don't actually shut my mouth.
At what temperature does water freeze?
What is that? Guys,
What
you guys tell me?
temperature does water freezer? You don't know?
No.
You don't know? $20.
No.
Okay, next person.
It's how you go.
Man, boy.
At what temperature does water freezer?
-3 Celsius. -3?
Yeah.
No. Okay. Are you ready? Again?
So what is it?
I don't know.
Okay. What temperature does water freeze at?
30 degrees Fahrenheit.
30 degree?
Yeah.
No.
No.
What is it?
Anybody?
Hey, what is it?
Guys, Jimmy,
Anybody knows?
Maybe Aiden?
No.
32?
Yes, 32.
Oh,
But
I said 30.
no.
Okay, now the last question. Whoever say fast,
Okay.
whoever say fast.
What are the 3 branches in
Executive
No. Too much. That one is a bit difficult to say. You know. So let me ask another question.
one by one.
Okay.
Ask one by one.
Okay. No. The fastest person get ready. What is the largest state in U.S.?
Texas! No, let's go!
Alaska, 20 years. That's enough. That's enough. Okay. 자, 됐죠?